Alright, back at Daikoku. Doing YouTube.
What up, y'all?
Friday night, more cars. 2 nights in a row. Came to Daikoku.
Oh, you went yesterday too?
Yeah. Met out with my buddy Robert.
What up?
This is first time I seen your crown.
First time, yeah. I don't drive it out too much, so.
Show my YouTube fam your crown, bro. Here's the most baller crown. Show us.
We got here. We got right here.
You got right here.
17 crowns. JZS 171.
171.
2002. Athlete.
Athlete. Damn. The highest grade, right?
The VX is the highest grade.
Oh.
So like one under. But VX is like rare grade. Oh, look, here's 17 pounds.
This is
what it
the
looks like normal.
This is the normal.
That's an athlete V. There you go. Same time.
Normal one. And this is the dumped, all done up.
VIP style.
He drifts too on this drift car.
Yeah. You gotta slide it. It's the only fun way to do it.
So here, what do you have? What wheel is this?
Alright, we got the original 17-inch work emits, step lip to 18. Shout out my boy Chamorro Boy, H6.
Tomorrow boy.
Yeah. He do you
Back
out.
in SoCal.
SoCal, San Diego. If you need wheels done, go holler at him. So we got the 1810J, and then we got the 1810.5 in the rear.
That fitment.
Custom white fenders.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, all metal.
Damn.
What is it, like a 40 millimeter front?
That much wider?
40 mil front, 60 mil rear.
Whew. Oh yeah, you can tell how much wider it is. And you're on 326 power.
Yeah, 60,
What?
60K front, 45K rear.
Sheesh, big boy.
Yeah, a lot of like low type mods, like
What wing is this?
option
Wing?
regular genuine option. Yeah. Then we got the Artisan Spirits lip kit all around.
Oh, I didn't even notice. Let's see the interior. That's my most favorite.
There you go, the interior.
Oh, Brid and
Riz, Vertex, Bride collab, GS,
Carbon.
Yeah, carbon Kevlar.
Everything reapproach. You sent it to Brid?
The door panels you can. I did it myself. Don't get too close, bro. This shit not that good.
Nah, it looks good. And then you did,
Rear seats, yeah, straight from Bride.
and you did all this
Yeah, I
too?
did the headlines. A bitch to pull out, but not too bad to lay the fabric.
All VIP'd out. Yeah, he drift. So sick.
You gotta have style. Drifting is about style.
Drifting's all about
that.
style.
Yeah. Sunroof. You gotta get
Sunroof. What about your engine bay?
all normal, but it got 1J though. All normal though. People that don't know, these come with 1J with the athlete model.
1J, baby.
BBTI, all stock, but get the
All
job done.
stock,
Oh,
huh?
Intercooler, but that's it. Nothing crazy. That shit dirty as hell.
Damn, you even have a stock airbox?
Stock airbox.
Drift Tengoku. I have that on my S15 too.
Gotta have that. But they never came manual, so you have to swap it if you want to drift. Or you can drift automatic.
Did you get it swapped?
Yeah, it's R154.
Nice.
Shout out Winzato Obata-san. He hooked that up.
Your
Yeah,
car
there
is
you go.
too good.
Thanks, appreciate it, Kota.
Are you gonna do anything else to it? Keeping it like this for now?
Maybe sell it.
Sell it?
Kind of want to sell it.
Hit him up.
Recently,
If
recently.
you having money
Buy it.
and wants baller crown,
VIP drift car. Here you go.
Holla at him. He might sell it.
Yeah. Money talks, right?
Money talks.
Holla at me.
Money has a mouth. Big mouth. Well, thanks for showing everyone your car.
Appreciate it. Thanks, Kota. Word up.
We're gonna go drift. He has S15 also, and we're gonna go drift at Fuji next
I
month.
might take this next month because
Oh,
it's been
really?
a while since I've drifted it, so I'm kind of thinking I'm gonna take it.
Hey, that's. I don't want to get close to your car. Let's take your S15.
I'll be behind you, so you're way ahead. I shaved the bumper to the front.
You shaped your bumper?
Yeah. So there's no plate. They used to have the spot for
Middle?
the plate. Yeah.
Detail. Oh, this place getting filled up. Many cool cars. Hey, who are you? Who are you?
I'm Joe.
Joe. Here's a car. Joe's car again. Have you done anything lately?
Nope.
You've been working on this. I see you.
Hell no.
I see you. I noticed you got new tire. You got new front tire. Better fitment.
Barely.
Are you coming to drift next month?
Maybe.
Yeah, you are.
Maybe.
You let me hit you into your car.
Please spare.
We're gonna paint this soon, yeah?
Yeah.
What color? You wanna tell them?
Black.
Black. We're painting black.
OG street color.
We're painting black. Painting this black soon, right?
That's right.
It'll be super clean once it's all
painting
black. Me and him are.
Kota special.
Kota special. Kota JoJo special.
Kota auto body.
Kota auto
There it
body.
is.
Who's here? Oh, I haven't seen this full Cresta. I need to fix up and paint my Cresta.